We'll guide you through how to make flyer in Corel Draw. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To begin this tutorial, open Corel Draw on your computer. Click New Document to create a new file so you can start with a blank canvas. Double-click the rectangle tool to create a background that automatically fits the page size. Select the rectangle tool again and draw a rectangle while holding the Ctrl key to keep the proportions equal. Change the angle of rotation, for example, set it to 45 degrees to create a dynamic diagonal shape. Duplicate the object several times and arrange the layout carefully until it looks like the results shown in the video. Next, select the Virtual Segment Delete tool to remove overlapping lines. Click or drag across the areas you want to remove, as demonstrated in the video, so only the desired segments remain visible. After cleaning up the intersections, select the Smart Fill tool and click on the indicated objects to create filled shapes within the divided areas. Select on any object that has not been filled and adjust the outline width as needed to create consistent borders. Change the outline color by right-clicking a color on the color palette. Adjust the outline color and outline width for the other objects if necessary, so the design looks uniform and visually appealing. Change the background color according to your design needs by selecting a color from the palette. Click File on the top menu to add images to your composition. Select Import from the menu to open the file browser. Choose the image you want to use, then click Import to place it on the canvas. Select the image, right-click, and choose PowerClip Inside to insert it into a specific shape. Click on the filled object to place the image inside it. Then adjust the image layout as needed to ensure it fits properly within the shape boundaries. Repeat the same steps for the next filled object if you have multiple image areas. Add the content text you want to include in the design and position it clearly within the layout. Adjust the layout and text color if necessary to complete the final composition and ensure all elements work together harmoniously.